Welcome to Borthwick Decorators, the experts in the art of period property decoration in Edinburgh's elite neighbourhoods. Today, we invite you to join us on a journey into the world of timeless elegance and architectural beauty. Edinburgh's affluent areas, such as Newtown, Stockbridge, the Grange and Morningside, are renowned for their stunning period properties. From the grand Georgian townhouses to the elegant Victorian villas and neoclassical masterpieces, these homes tell stories of bygone eras. Within these period properties lie unique features that make them truly special. High ceilings adorned with ornate cornicing, grand fireplaces that once warmed the hearts of families, and sash and case windows that invite the gentle caress of natural light. Decorating period properties comes with its own set of challenges. Preserving original features, addressing age-related wear and tear, and navigating preservation regulations require expertise and finesse. But fear not, our skilled team at Borthwick Decorators is here to guide you through these challenges. So, how does one approach decorating period properties with mastery? It starts with striking a delicate balance between preservation and innovation, carefully selecting colours that complement the property's architectural style, placing furniture to highlight unique features, and creating a harmonious blend of lighting. These are key elements in achieving a seamless fusion of past and present. To give you a glimpse of our expertise, let's take a look at a recent project we completed in the prestigious Newtown area of Edinburgh. With meticulous attention to detail, we transformed a two-bedroom flat, breathing new life into its historical charm while infusing it with modern comfort and style. By carefully restoring original features, selecting the right materials, and incorporating innovative solutions, we created a space that honours the past while embracing the present. At Borthwick Decorators, we pride ourselves on our commitment to preserving the beauty and heritage of period properties in Edinburgh's elite neighbourhoods. If you own a period property and are looking to embark on a transformation journey, we invite you to contact us. Let our team of experts guide you in bringing out the true potential of your cherished home. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of period property decorating. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To contact us, visit our website via the link in the video description. Thanks for watching.